The media always latches onto the headline makers, such as murder, but other types of workplace violence occur far more frequently. Before we go any further, we need to define the word violence. The first thing that comes to mind is a physical confrontation. But violence also includes verbal and emotional attacks. The psychological harm caused by threats, intimidation, and verbal abuse can be as serious as any physical injury. There are several sources of violence in the workplace. One is outside threats. These are individuals who commit acts of violence in your facility but aren't employed by your company. Customers or vendors may seek revenge for some perceived wrongdoing. Terrorists could even target your business to set an example. In healthcare environments, patients or their families can sometimes become hostile and assault medical personnel. And unfortunately, the workplace isn't immune to incidents of domestic violence either.
You're gonna get me fired.
Another type of outside threat is commercial crime. A robber enters a business looking for some quick cash. People can get hurt, even killed, if things don't go as planned. The workers at greatest risk from commercial crime exchange money with the public, work alone or in small numbers, or work late night or early morning hours. Another source of workplace violence is inside threats. All organizations are at risk from aggressive or violent people who are working within their facilities. And we're not just talking about disgruntled employees who take out their frustrations on their supervisors. Disagreements or personality conflicts between co-workers are the most common causes of workplace violence. This means people we work with, people we know. Fortunately, violence rarely happens without warning.